Hey, 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 Marieanne here, the Crochety Clogger. Thanks for joining me for Tuesday Tidbits on October 26th of 2021. Thought I'd show you a little bit of our vacation with Billie's Beaches 21. Here we are, packed and ready to go, and here's Sweet Tea's stunt double and Sharon of Sharon's Crochet Corner buckled up for our first leg of the flight. As you can see, my flight, going and coming, was incredibly early. Sun wasn't even up yet. Never knew I could sleep so well sitting up, but I did. Let's not forget our Tuesday Tune Appreciation Giveaway. Today is the last Tuesday in October. If you'd like to participate, remember to leave your comment in the comment section below. At the end of this video, you'll see a picture, a hint. You wouldn't believe what we saw in the traffic in Sarasota, Florida. One thing to let you know about is that you can guess either the song or the artist or the make of the vehicle that you see at the end of this video or the name of the movie. You'll get it when you see it. Ready to land in Atlanta, folks. Here we go. Headed for Concourse B. I had to go down. Okay, here we go. Look who I ran up upon in the terminal in Atlanta. None other than Karen from A Yarn Addict with Karen. And you would love her just as much as you think you would, as do I. Love you, Karen. Here we are, first meal in Sarasota, Cracker Barrel. Yummy! Group shot, group shot. This is everybody, y'all. JoJo brought our great big old pink flamingo floaty. And here's me and Sharon sitting on the balcony enjoying the breeze. Oh, here's all of them. Everybody enjoying the spa and the pool. Even Octavia. Ain't they a bunch? Oh, here's Julie with Kept in Stitches with Julie, and you just saw Jax of Creations by Jax. Now for a little ride through St. Armand's Circle. We were right within walking distance, but on our way to go eat at a German restaurant.
That's the Moose Lodge. Oh, that's funny.
Anna Maria Island. That was my mama's name. Anna Maria.
Amy Moose. Yeah, it's a Moose Lodge. That's funny. Oh, wow.
So Anna Maria was the Moose Lodge?
Yeah.
Mama, did you hear
funny.
that?
We're gonna have to. We might have to come down to one of these places and get some souvenirs or something.
Yeah. Oma's place. I bet that's a German restaurant. Oma's Pizza, an Italian restaurant. Are you kidding?
Pizza.
Is Oma Italian? almost German, I thought.
Yeah, I don't know.
Here's the German restaurant, Edelweiss. They had a lot of schnitzel. It was delicious. And with us was Cindy from Freeze Baby Fiber Frolics and all our respective Dammit dolls. There's Milda and Nan and Sweet Tea and Seagal. Oh, there's Julie, kept in stitches with Julie. There's Joanne, Niffer, Taffy, Billy. It was delicious. There's Melly, sweet Melissa makes and more. And here's a view of the beautiful waters. Just a little taste of it. As close to the Caribbean waters as we can get here in the States, folks. In my opinion, anyway. Okay, coming up is some pictures of our mystery dinner night. Sandy from Left is Right Crochet organized this for us, and we had a blast. Here's Billie, our resident psychic and fortune teller. Wasn't she a beauty? La, she was Big Bertha, the hockey player. And our chef, Mama Swift, who treated us to one delicious meal. And Karen, the murderess. She looks guilty, doesn't she? Ah, chicken, meatballs, Italiano, delicious. Salad, fruit for the cheesecake. And there is the victim, Crystal, from Coffee, Crochet, and Cuddles. Okay, folks, you know that Octavia came with us, right? Well, she went and got a tattoo, if you didn't know, and it says, I heart Apollo. But shush, I haven't told him yet. Yep, I still have a lot of news to break to Apollo. It'll come at a future time, folks. It will. Billie's new pelican toy. Ain't it cute? And a delicious country breakfast prepared by Karen, a yarn addict with Karen, and who you see here, Nancy, with She's Got Yarn Too. And let's not forget our green queen, none other than Madonna, who finally got her a beer. And here's the whole gang on Anna Maria Island at a wonderful restaurant called the Beach House. And we saw a beautiful sunset. Here's me and JoJo from Joe's Web, Julie, and Nikki from Addicted to Yarn. There's Billie with her new pelican crown, flamingo, sorry. Oh, and our beauty Sandy, Left is Right Crochet. There's that wonderful sunset again. And there's all of us. Thanks for the selfie, JoJo. Oh my gosh, it's already time to go home. Okay, here we go. Taking off from Atlanta, I think. Our last leg of the trip. Yep, Sharon's looking out at the tarmac. And Sweet Tea looking out at the tarmac. I was lucky to get a window seat. I had to move and scoot to do it, but hey, I did it. Oh boy, here comes takeoff. Are you ready? Here we go.
sure all larger devices such as laptops are stowed at this time in a bag underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. They may not be stowed in seat pockets. You may continue to use mobile devices as long as they're properly secured. Finally, please check around your seat for any remaining cups, glasses, or any other items that you would like to discard and pass them to the flight attendants as we come to the cabin one final time. We'll be landing shortly.
Okay, time for landing in North Carolina. Here we go. Can't believe the brakes, the power of the brakes on these airplanes.
Fasten and carry an item stowed to the aircraft start singing, and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins as items may have shifted during flight. In the next few hours, you may receive an email service from Delta. We value your feedback and future responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight, managing your sky miles count. As you use planes, please remember to take a look around your seats to make sure that you have
Look what
everything.
Mr. C had waiting for me in the car. He must have missed me.